Hello and welcome guys. Today I expanded on the inventory system that we created last week. So I've added the two signals, one for item added, one for item removed, and then I call these signals over here. I emit them for the item added, and then in the remove function, item remove, I emit that as well. And then I created this function over here, get stack. So we can get a stack resource from the dictionary that we created over here that holds all the item stacks. And then I created this class over here called UI inventory, and it extends from the item list class. So the item list, if you can see in the expect over here, you can go and add items, and I'll just show you. So you can add items and it will look like this. So we can add sword, and we can add much more items if we want to. So what we're going to do is we are going to loop through all the items in our inventory, and then we are going to add them to this items list over here, and it's going to clear all of these items. So it's going to remove all of them, and then it's going to add what we have in the inventory and display that instead. So this class is currently a custom class, but it is an item list. So you can see UI inventory can add it. So I changed this type to UI inventory, and then I added two buttons with signals over here, press signal for both of them, and then I added it to this class. I added the signal to this UI inventory class, and it's going to call this add item and remove item, and we click on those two buttons over here that we created at the bottom. So to expand further on this class, I added these two buttons, and the inventory class, I also added the inventory node, this node over here. I added it to a group, a global group called inventory. So you can click on this plus sign and type in inventory, and then you can add that group, and then this node will be added to that group, which we can then go and call. Over here we can find the inventory like this, this code over here, and then I connected the two signals to this UI update function where we're going to update the UI. So I clear the items, and then I update the UI using add item, which is the built-in function of this item list class. It comes with it, and then I just created a format string so that it looks pretty, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So we can go and run this and see what happens. So we got our UI, we can click on them, and then we can click on add item, and you can see it updates the UI, and we can click on remove and it updates the UI. So that's all for this tutorial guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, and please subscribe. My channel is new, and I'll see you in the next video.